how to share notes with others on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how to share notes so other people can access and also edit the notes themselves. Now, to do this, we first need to open up Settings on your phone. Tap on your profile name at the top, then go and select iCloud. After that, tap on Notes under Save to iCloud and make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. Once that's enabled, you can close Settings and open up the Notes app. Now select the note that you want to share. Make sure the note is not locked, otherwise you won't be able to collaborate. Next, tap on the share icon in the top right-hand corner. At the top, tap the drop-down next to Collaborate. You can choose to send a copy, but if you want others to edit the note, make sure Collaborate is selected. Then tap on Only Invited People Can Edit. You can switch this to anyone with the link if you prefer, and then set the permission. You can either allow them to make changes or set it to View Only. After choosing your settings, tap the Done button. Now, to share the note, select Mail or Messages. Enter the email address of the person you want to share it with and then tap Send. And that's it! They'll receive an email with a link to access and collaborate on the note. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.